3 aspects of a productive home office. Just because you have a home office doesn't mean that you are productive when you are working from home. Before you start blaming your work ethic, you should know that there are 3 key features of a productive home office, and you should use them if you would like to increase your productivity when you work at home. 1. A desk you can work at. If you are still working from your couch or a bed, it's time to stop this practice immediately. It would help if you had a desk. Not just any desk, but one that you feel comfortable sitting at and getting work done. Sitting desks aren't for everyone. However, if you do find yourself feeling uncomfortable sitting in front of your computer, then try a standing desk, or maybe swap out your desk chair for one of those exercise balls. Whatever it takes to find out what works for you. 2. Sound that promotes productivity. You've probably noticed that it's difficult to get work done when there is a ton of background noise, like the TV or other members of your household talking. Sitting there and working in silence may not be cutting it either. It's time to experiment and find out what sort of environment you work best in. Most people prefer to have classical or non-distracting music in the background, while others prefer white noise like a fan or a nature CD. Whatever it is, find the sound that helps you focus and have it playing in the background while you work. 3. Eliminate distractions. When your home office is situated off a corner of the living room where every family member can ask you a question when they walk by, it's no wonder that you can't get any work done. It's time to create a distraction-free environment to use as your office, even if it means working in a guest bedroom. Your office should have a door to keep out unwanted people and noise, no TV or other distracting electronics, and if your phone is a distraction, then you need to leave that outside too. You'll be surprised how much better you work when you don't have a distraction bothering you every 5 minutes. Overall, the key aspect of working productively at home is having the proper place to do so. Therefore, you need to make sure that your home office has a desk, sounds that keep you productive, and eliminate all possible distractions. These steps will allow you to work to the best of your abilities.